Hi Ray, just a quick one with the redirection. The copy's all great, looking really good. There's just one thing I'm wondering if you may be able to do for me. So I'm logged out at the moment and I'm going to activate the redirection. As you can see, the time that it takes to read this copy is a little light on. It very quickly moves to the actual, in this case, the Cape Tribulation page before then redirecting to the demo page. I'm wondering if the redirection message could stay on the screen and then go to this map without going to the Cape Tribulation page at all. So I'll just show you one more time. So members only, you are being redirected. A full-featured demo of the best free things to see and do right across Australia is, and I haven't actually finished reading that sentence. This part of the page is coming up before going to the demo map. So I'm wondering if if the message could be held for longer and going straight to the map. If it can be done, it can be done. If not, we might have to look at something else because that writing is sort of getting overlaid over the page. It just needs a little bit of tweaking. So let me know what you think, and we'll see what we can do. We'll see what you can do. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.